So let's look at the gradient, the behavior of the gradient of f prime. We see that it has a positive gradient up until here, then it has a zero gradient, and then from there it has a negative gradient. So in other words, we have when x is smaller than negative 2, a positive gradient, when x is equal to negative 2, a zero gradient, and when x is greater than negative 2, a positive gradient. So let's write that down. When x is smaller than negative 2, our gradient is positive. When x is equal to negative 2, our gradient is 0. And when x is greater than negative 2, we now have a negative gradient, right? So that means that that is how f double prime is behaving for the different values of x. And so what does that mean for the concavity of f? Well, that means when x is smaller than negative 2, we have a concave up graph. And when x is greater than negative 2, we have a concave down graph.